Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable the group from the Google Chrome. How simply you can create the group as well. Okay, the first thing you will have to do, just open the Google Chrome. Okay, and type Chrome colon / flags. So you're going to type as exactly I'm typing on my screen. Type that. Once you type this, in search bar you're going to type a tab group. Okay, groups. Okay, on the top here you can see the tab groups. Okay, what we're going to do by it at this moment, it's default setting, and we're going to change this or we're going to enable this basically. Once you enable this, the Chrome has successfully created the group. And to experiment this, to make sure this group is successfully created or not, so we're going to test it now. Okay, let's type facebook.com. okay, facebook.com, facebook.com. And once you type facebook.com on the top bar here, so you're going to right click that and add a new group. Okay, once you add a new group, so as you can see, then there is an icon here. This is successfully created the group. Okay, there is a color you can change as you want for your group. So you might be creating multiple groups, and for that to verify, the color will help you to categorize that as well. Okay, so another I want to create this is Instagram. Okay, instagram.com. I want to add that in the same group because it's social media, it's similar, right? I want to add that there too. So you're just going to do add existing group and select this. So now this two is added in the one single group. So another is twitter.com. okay, this is another social media that I like to add there too. So it's really helped me to find out instead of individually browsing, so I'm just simply going to add there. So all this in single one group, and this will really help me to find rather browsing separately. So let's say you don't want this, right? You want to remove this group, and you want to go to another group, right? Add a new group. So let's say you want to go to add new group, or you can do that too. So once you do that, as soon as you hit that add new, there is the blue icons, it changes it, right? Let's say you don't want this and then you want to remove from group, so you can remove it as well. So similarly you can play around on this, so based on your need, the things you are working on, this is how you simply create the groups. Let's say this group, you want to delete this, right? You don't want this. So what you can do is again go to you want to go to the default Chrome setting, right? You don't want this, so similarly just type this Chrome flags, right? Colon flags. So go there and just at this moment it's enable this, so you want to put this in default setting and just go back default or disable this. You can do that, just default it and relaunch. Now the Chrome is in the previous setting mode, as a default setting mode that Chrome has it. So hope this video helpful. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.